Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva for vision boards. First, open Canva and select a blank canvas or search for a vision board template. You can choose a custom size, perhaps for a desktop background or a printable poster. Before you dive into design, it's helpful to have your inspirational images, quotes, and affirmations ready to go. This preparation saves time and helps you focus on your creative flow. Now, let's bring your vision to life. You can easily upload your own photos or explore Canva's vast library of stock images and graphics. Simply drag and drop your chosen elements onto your board. For your powerful quotes and affirmations, add text boxes. Experiment with different fonts and colors to make your words truly stand out and resonate with your personal style. To make your vision board uniquely yours, dive into Canva's customization tools. You can adjust image transparency, crop photos, and apply various filters to create the perfect mood. Explore frames and shapes to give your pictures a professional touch. Don't forget to use the alignment tools and grouping features to keep your board organized and visually appealing, ensuring everything looks just right. Once your vision board is complete, it's time to save and share your masterpiece. You can download your board in several formats, such as a high-quality JPG or a printable PDF. Canva makes it simple to share your digital vision board directly to social media platforms or via email. For a constant reminder, consider printing your board and placing it where you'll see it every day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.